So since she just did the eyes, I wanted to finish off the look after I finish the eyes. So the lashes are on. They're kind of like Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today I thought it would be fun to do a me following a makeup tutorial. So today we're going to be doing this look. This look was done by Mikey, also known as Glam and Gore. So I have her the actual video of this look that she did down in the description, so you guys can also go check that out. Let's get into the video. So my foundation and my eyebrows are done. Now we're going to be going on to the actual makeup look.
Anyway, prime your eyes. Duh.
So I don't have any Morphe brushes
Soft ochre by
or
MAC.
that mullet, so we're going to be compromising. But first, I'm going to take this brush to prime my eyes. This is the Bare Minerals Max Coverage Concealer brush. And I'm just taking the DIY eye primer that I made. I think I'm gonna, yeah, never mind. Okay. And we're just going to start by priming the eyes. Oh, that's way too much. Oh, great. I'm just gonna use my finger to blend this side. So I don't really have a purpley
red
one,
color and a MAC
like
219
one color.
brush. And I'm just gonna stick that color right
So
inside the crease.
instead, I'm going to be using this color right here from my QC Makeup Academy eyeshadow palette. So she just says to kind of put it in the crease. And this is the brush I can, closest to the brush I can come up with that she's using. This is I have no idea what it says, but yeah, that's the brush. The red and a kind of pink color, I mean purple color. It's the same shade of color. So just in the crease. Okay, so I'm not going to be using tape on my skin, but I'm going to use like the, I think it's e.l.f. like shape tape stuff thing. I don't know. It was e.l.f. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. tape things and just stick one on one side. So she said from the lower lash line, kind of like that, I'm guessing. Yes, okay. Okay, the same color, sticking it into the crease with a bigger brush. I'm going to be using the Sephora Eye Enhancer brush. Using the same two colors, mixing them together, and then just blending it into the crease. So I decided that I'm going to do this eye on camera and then this eye off camera. Okay, so she put like a gold coppery color in above the using this color right here. And I'm going to be using a e.l.f. crease brush. Looks like that. And put that right in the crease. So she's using glitter and I don't have glitter, so we're not gonna use the glitter. We're gonna skip that part. But I have almost even. Well, yeah, I do. I have this one and this one mixed together. I just put them on my lid. So I'm curling my lashes first because that's, I know she's gonna use lashes, and that's the first thing I normally do when I curl my lashes. Put on my lashes. I'm just gonna curl them. Then put on my Winky Looks So Extra mascara. Okay, she just goes straight to lashes. She doesn't use eyeliner. I thought she did. My mirror fell off. Okay, so we're going to be using my QC Makeup Academy lashes. As you all know, it takes me so long to do my lashes, so I'll be back. So I don't think I showed you what lashes I'm going to be using. So these ones from QC Makeup Academy, I like them because they really almost match her lashes, kind of. So since she just did the eyes, I wanted to finish off the look after I finished the eyes. So the lashes are on. They're kind of like coming off here at the corners, but I think they're okay. And then I just did the lips as well.
If you all enjoyed today's video, goodbye.
Bye!